All right, here's the next question. Are there magic words that can push someone to take a leap into starting their own biz? Magic words. um, just do it, go. Are there magic words that can push someone? This is actually a really important thing, actually, if you think about it, because it really is about affirmations. What he's asking here, this is from Mike, and Mike's asking, magic words that can push someone to take the leap into starting their own business. The magic word would be your vision word. What is your vision word for yourself? Is it happiness? Is it experiment? Is it uncomfortable? Is it learn? Like coming up with a vision word. We talked about this on one of the episodes, so go check out the full episode about vision on this. We really break it down and go in deep as to how you can create your own vision word and then how you define that vision word. Because that's gonna create a new vocabulary for you that's gonna help you start to kind of make those affirmations that you need to tell yourself day in and day out so that they become things that actually happen. And here's the thing about coming up with words. 62, I may be a little off on this percentage, but it's over 50% of our vocabulary and the words in our dictionary are negative. Like they have negative connotations, what we say for the most part. And so what we have to do is really do watch the words that we actually say because they matter. But in terms of magic, I don't know, bruh. But I will say that action words, if there are words to push someone to take a leap, I would say things like, I would look for things like actionable words that really matter. Things like, things that would make you feel like, if I say this word, it's going to happen. And it's gotta be an action word, not just like an adjective. It's gotta feel like a verb. It's gotta really feel like there's some force behind that word. So that's what I would say. I don't know about magic though.